I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to use Final Cut Pro X. So, I guess I have the trial version right now, but I know how to use it really good. So, first of all, you're going to want a title in your story. And I can pick a whole bunch of stuff for it. So, let's say this is going to be the end of the thing. Say this is going to be the end. And then I guess press play. And it will do that. So that should be our ending, but I'm just going to delete that clip for now. Wait, no, I want to delete that clip. Then I want to delete that. So then do the, maybe for let's see what this is. Not sports, let's see. Let's say I'm gonna do a film strip. Or maybe hold on guys, I'm just trying to figure out which one's the best for this. So let's see, let's just do this for the first one. This is the first thing. And I might upload this to YouTube, so you guys stay tuned for that. So let's just do title, sub information. So let's just make this. I'm gonna make this video all about my gaming channel. So my gaming Twitch. So let's see. Let's say this. So then I guess get all this deleted. So let's say, oh wait, I forgot to capitalize this. So A. About. Let's see, information. My Twitch. Sorry guys, he's just being very non-responsive today. So then what we'll do is we'll do maybe this should be a good one. Then we do the push, and we're gonna add some music in the background. Weekly live streams. So we do weekly live streams, guys. If you want to go and follow, it's just Dimitri's Gaming. So live streams. Anyway, guys. So yeah, that's gonna be that one. So then maybe we want to put a little picture of maybe of Fortnite. Right there we would do this, and then we would put a photo right there. So watch this. This is how you want to do it. Fortnite gaming. So what you would want to do now is you would want to go on the web, and you would want to type in Fortnite. night. And not videos, then you want to go into images and click save on this image. Let's just go and click, where is it? Save image to downloads. Then you want to X out of this, and you want to go into photo, not the photos. You want to go into this little thing right here, and you would want to go into like Dimitri, well, whatever your name is, folder, and it might show up here. What is this image? That's not the image. Where is it? Trying to find the guy, sorry. I'm trying to. Where is it? Okay, guys, I cannot find it. So that probably means maybe it's, if you can't find it, there's one thing. I can turn this into something. If you can't find it, you have to go into downloads. Then you have to try and find where it is. Oh, you may want to go into recents first. If you can find it in recents, then that would be great. Then if you can't find it in recents, you have to go back to Google. You have to go and search Fortnite again. And then go into images. Then select this image. Then select the image you want. Drag it where you want. So unknown, it should pop up for my image. So let me see here, look for unknown. So then like you would have to do this. Let me see here. Try to find unknown. Oh, unnamed. Oh no, that's not it. Oh, unknown. Might come out as a bad one, but just deal with it. So then, let's see. So then you should click import selected. So then you wanna wait. Where's the fort? So this will go into this. Add the audition. Well, sometimes it'll be bad quality, but at least you'll do that. Then what you want to do is like you want to go into the web browser and you want to add like, or then how long is this so far? This is like 15-second clips. So like you want to make it longer. So like what you add is like maybe like, oh, that's fine. I guess I didn't know what I was coming from. So anyway, guys, so what you want to do next is go, not in the project, but go into here. Yeah, I think this is going to be the end of this thing. So what I want to do at the end, what I was wanting to do earlier, is go up, scroll into, wait, no, generators. So it's in here. Look for is, actually it's not in here. Should be in cinema somewhere. Oh, right here. End page right here. So like, then you want to go and do this. Okay, so then if you don't want this info, oh, why did I go over? Okay, so what I want to do right here is, right in here you want to do none. Oh wait, no, not none. Let me just see. Just want to delete all of it. Just want to click. Okay, so it says, so then wait, I guess have this random like little like clip. So like what you want to do is just want to search for the end of it, and you want to drag it all the way to where your clip ends. So that's how you do that's how you use Final Cut Pro. If you enjoyed this tutorial, comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.